Letter C.
Letter C.
Letter C.
Letter C.
Letter C.
Cow. Cow. As in cow, is the sound of C. As in cow, is the sound of C.
Children, let's meet Carrie the cow.
I am a white cow. I have black spots. Moo, moo. I like to chew grass.
Does Carrie moo? Yes, Carrie moos. What does Carrie like to chew? Carrie likes to chew grass. Cow. Cow. Grass. Grass.
Carrie is a cow. Carrie is a cow. Carrie says moo moo all day long. Carrie is a cow. Carrie is a cow. Carrie chews grass all day long. I am in the field. It is green and cool. I chew grass. I drink water.
What can Carrie do in the field? Chew grass. Drink water. Rest. One cow. Two cows. White cow. Black cow. One cow. Two cows. White cow. Black cow. This is a cow. It likes to chew grass. It says moo, moo.
I am Carrie the cow. Moo, moo. I like to chew grass. Can you say moo moo? What do you like to eat?
Letter C.
Cow. Cow. Cow.
Hey, my friends! Can you tell me what you learned in this lesson? Thanks. Don't forget subscribe.